Good day and welcome to the news on the hour on Providence Television International. My name is Ugbebo Ikekwa. The federal and state governments have been urged to assist the private health sector through the provision of healthcare equipment and funding to improve healthcare delivery nationwide. The call was made on Friday by the medical director, Modik Medical Center, Professor Dominic Osagai, during the Sent-Forth Party for retiring staff, which took place at the premises of the medical center in Benin City. The details. The medical director, Modik Medical Center, Professor Dominic Osagai, noted that private healthcare facilities contribute immensely to the provision of qualitative healthcare delivery to the Nigerian populace. He further stated that apart from healthcare delivery, providing employment opportunities is also a major function of the private health sector. Commending the retiring staff of the establishment, Professor Osagai expressed gratitude to them for their resilience and dedication during their stay with the medical center. He wished the retirees the best in their endeavors, noting that dedication to work yields positive dividends.
Over the years, we embarked on the development of our physical infrastructure, equipment acquisitions and upgrades, and progressive improvement in both investigative and diagnostic capabilities. That is, the private medical or private hospitals, they contribute in improving access to healthcare and reduction of morbidity and mortality rates, and ultimately improving productivity of Nigeria. Those retiring today, that is Osato and Hene, that have shown the way that it's possible to work in private institutions for 30 years.
Commenting on the dedication to staff welfare as practiced by Professor Osagai, the chairman, Association of Private Medical Practitioners of Nigeria, APMPN, Dr. Imetian, commended Professor Osagai for his dedication to private healthcare delivery. He emphasized the need for workers' welfare package, especially for those who retire meritoriously from service.
And for those who are still on ground, let's do all we can to ensure that the work progresses. It is when the work is progressing that you can talk about reward.
High point of the ceremony was a presentation of gift items and official certificate of meritorious service to the retiring staff by the Director of Administration, Modik Medical Center, Pastor Mrs. Omosefe Osagai.
On behalf of Modik Medical Center and the MD, I present this to you.
The retirees, Mrs. Helen Ibizugbe and Osato Osadiaye, expressed gratitude to the management and staff of Modik Medical Center for appreciating the services they rendered while working with the medical facility. Present at the occasion were dignitaries from across the country, including the chairman, Chief Executive Officer, Providence Television International, Dr. Emmanuel Ariva. Ugbebo Ikekwa, Providence Television News. A cleric of the Anglican Church Nigeria, Venerable Timothy Igudaru, has condemned the flamboyant lifestyle of religious leaders in Nigeria, stressing that instead of promoting spiritual values, materialism has become the order of the day. Venerable Igudaru disclosed this today during an exclusive interview with Providence Television International on the program The Road to the Vineyard. The cleric decried the unacceptable manner in which most religious leaders flout their wealth, regardless of the fact that most of their followers live in abject poverty.
To everlasting, you must make a difference. Now I want to draw your attention. What did the devil tell Satan? He said, look at the kingdoms of the world and the glory of them. What did
the devil tell Jesus?
Jesus.
Okay.
He said, look at the kingdoms of the world and the glory of them. This I will give to you, if you will bow down and worship me. So the glory of the world and the beauty of the world have entered the church. So if the priests are not wrestled, they will soon be captured. That's why we are seeing some lifestyle that are not useful in the church. We must fight against it. Because whatever you will...
The federal government has announced that it will conduct a comprehensive investigation into the airstrike that led to the deaths of 10 people in Sokoto State. The Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawali, disclosed this during a condolence visit to the state governor, Ahmed Ali, on Friday. The minister expressed regret over the actions of terrorists whom he described as disrupting the peace of Nigerians. He, however, assured that the federal government will confront terrorists decisively. An inferno has destroyed an undisclosed number of shops at the popular Masaka market in the Karu local government area of Nasarawa State. The incident started from a commercial bathroom and spread to other shops around 11:45 p.m. on Friday night. Multi-million naira shops were completely engulfed by the fire, with goods worth millions of naira destroyed. Tragedy has hit the Catholic Diocese of Nnewi in Anambra State over the killing of one of its priests, Reverend Father Tobias Okonkwo, by yet-to-be-identified gunmen. Reverend Father Okonkwo was shot dead on Thursday by gunmen along the Onitsha-Owerri Expressway at about 7 p.m. And that's the news on the hour. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned.